How to get Microsoft Word for your Windows and use it for free. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. First, let's head over to our browser and simply search for Microsoft. After you search for Microsoft, you can open up your Microsoft website. Now on the top, you should see Microsoft 365. Now you can open that up. Now after you open that up, you will see the subscriptions for it. Now as you can see, Microsoft Word is not free. You will need to buy it. Now you can see the plans and pricings for everyone. Now there are different sections which you can, for which the pricings can vary. Now if you're here, you can see that Microsoft offers different plans for family and for personals. Now if you scroll down a bit more, you should see more, comparisons. Now what you can do here is you can just pay for it. That's really simple. You can simply head over to Microsoft Store. Head over to Microsoft Store, my bad. Head over to Microsoft Store and open Microsoft Store up. And on the top, on the search bar, simply search for Microsoft 365. After you search for it, you will see different versions of Microsoft Personals. Now, the one that I use is Microsoft Office. So there are two ways you can use Microsoft. Now, Microsoft comes with your Microsoft Word, your Excel, and many other features. So what you can do here is you can simply download this. And after you download this, you can simply pay for it. That's the first way. Now, if you want to use it for free, you will need to head over to your Microsoft website and simply sign in using your Microsoft account. So after you sign in using your Microsoft account, what you can do is simply head over to the top right corner where it says Account Manager. After you're there, simply tap on My Microsoft Account. After you tap on it, you'll get redirected to your Microsoft account section. Now under here, to use Microsoft features such as Microsoft Word online, you can head over to this dots on the top left. And from here, simply head over to the Word. Now after you're there, you will see that now you can access Word, but you can only use this online. So that's the catch here, guys. You can use Microsoft Word online without having to pay for it. Now, the other way that you can use Microsoft Word is by having a education account. Now, if you're a student or if you are a teacher, if you have your university's or your institution's email address and account, what you can do is you can simply sign in using that after you download your Microsoft Office and then log in using that account, and you'll be able to use it until the email address expires. So yeah, you can either use online or using your own Microsoft account, or you can use your institution's account to log into your Microsoft Office and then use your Microsoft Word for free. And yeah, that is how you can use your Microsoft Word on your Windows device. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care, guys.